this is where your
new day, early time, but we're off to the beach. Fingers crossed the weather's good. I looked at the forecast and it starts raining at 2. Hopefully it's just like a drizzle and not like a whoosh, 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 you know. But yeah, come join the ride. I'm joking, but welcome back to my channel. And today we're off to San Juan, Batangas, and I'm so excited. Water sports. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog.
ayun. Gusto mo yun?
Nangiti si Kuya, may masamang balak. Lulutang yun. Yeah, we're good. Yes. Ayan na naman, tutumbahan na naman tayo. Teka, pagod na ako. Naapo ako dito. Kanina okay lang eh. Sulit ba? Sulit.
How far are they going? There they go. Off they go. Oh. That's them.
Para people. Dito kami sa Juan. Batangas. Oras kami nakabilad sa parang tuyo. Gaway. Dali! Yan. Kain yung dalawa oh. Ayaw punta dito. Okay guys. Tingin sa aking camera. Kao. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm with my cousin. And later we're gonna ride in that. You see the circle? We are alone here in the sea. Look at that. We found Nemo. Hindi naman nakikinig dito. You know Nemo? Wow. This is the owner of GoPro, Ate Carmela and Ate Diana. We are vlogging. Hala. Say hi.
That's what we're riding on.
Wait lang, ang hirap.
Ay, putang ina!
Ayun na, yari kayo.
Ayaw ko na!
So ano, andito kami ngayon sa Batangas. Extreme na to. Kala kuya. Wait lang. Susuka ako, teka lang kuya. Ano sa mata? Ayun, susuka. Okay na. Okay na kuya. Wala pa, hindi pa, malayo tayo. More! Last daw, last.
Anyways, guys, as you can tell, I am really red and burnt. I look like a tomato. That's the end of the vlog. It was very fun and memorable, and I'm really tired. But yeah, I do love doing water sports with the family because it's always so funny and just like spending time. It's really fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Yes, it's me from the present. Future? I don't know. I know you guys are expecting a sneak peek of the next vlog. Sorry, I can't make a sneak peek of the next vlog because it's a montagey vlog, so it's really hard to make a snippet or a preview because there's no real substance to it. Please still look forward to it. It's the final vlog, so you guys better stick with me till the end. But yeah, no, it's very like snippet kinda, so there's no structure is what I was meant to say, not substance, because it is very substaining. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, guys, it's the final vlog next week, so I hope to see you all still there. Yeah, see you next Sunday.